year 2020, a journey began with a vision in mind and a hard-working hand. Mesake Lacarua,